Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Just looking at Bitcoin at the moment, I've got it open on a 5-minute chart. I'll just go out to the 4-hour and explain what I've been looking at. Alright, it's Monday. This is the weekly open here. Market kicks off. We trade back down with a vengeance. And on the 4-hour we can see this thin leg definitely begging to be revisited, and I'm thinking that this could trade back up. We've got this setup here, higher highs, higher lows. All right, it's giving us a bullish pattern. You've got an inverted head and shoulders and all this kind of thing. We've had, if we have a look at, see this range through here, relative equal lows back through here. Okay, I'm interested in that. So where we get a range like this, we get a build-up of liquidity above and below. Then the market taps into this, trades up, pull back, and then is this our cue? So I mean, this is a fairly bullish price action. I'll just be interested to see how this shapes up around here. So we've had this break of structure, 4-hour pullback down into this 4-hour order block. Right, so I quite like what I'm seeing on the chart here for a potential buy opportunity. So we'll go down to 15. Yep, okay, market opens. Quite often you're going to find on Monday the market will trade in the opposite direction that it does for the rest of the week. That's quite common. Taps into liquidity and then we're off to the races or the moon or wherever, wherever we're going. I mean, just from this time frame here, we can see we've got this thin leg imbalance, this thin leg imbalance. Market's traded down into our support zone. This is a similar price action to the bigger picture, the 4-hour. We get the market ranging, it builds liquidity under, it taps into it, and then we trade off. Possibly. We've got this break of structure on the lower time frame on the 15 here. Bullish break of structure here. Where to from here? Look, if we see the setup, and I want to see probably a break of this level here. Let's just see if we've got this low, higher high, higher low. Does it give us that? Higher high, higher low. And then we're off to the, right, the moon, yeah? That's where we're heading. That's where a lot of people will probably think we're going if that trades up through here, looking for, I don't know, these levels and beyond, who knows. But we could get a bullish opportunity here. So wait for the setup. Wait for this to continue on, come back, retest this range, and it holds up here, and then we get the opportunity. And I mean, can it go the other way? Absolutely it can. And let me just rub that out, these drawings, because, just be careful, there's liquidity sitting under here. If everyone starts thinking this is bullish, there's going to be stop losses galore under, so watch out. But this, see this blue zone here? That's the level that I'm interested in. This, above this blue zone, if we get it, break, retest, and fail, then okay, I'm in. All right, but you've got, you've got below here as well. So just be careful. At some stage, whether it's here or lower or whatever, just keep an eye out for where it ranges sideways, and it gives you, as I showed you on the 4-hour chart, you can look at this kind of price action here on any time frame, right? This is bullish price action. It ranges, creates liquidity below, dips into it, and then we get that. And then you want to start to see higher highs, higher lows, and that's your trade. And we could get, a bit of a move back up in there. Wouldn't that be something? Anyway, that's my take on Bitcoin, guys. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. Click the link below. Join Discord. It's completely free. And see you in the next one.